Portable World Congress is the stage for most organizations to report their freshest, most energizing gadgets. Not every person has something extremely new to offer, so they basically do the following best thing: flaunt a slight variation of a current gadget. For the Essential phone, that is precisely what occurred as we found the opportunity to look at the energizing new restricted release shades of the telephone. To be more correct, there are an aggregate of 3 restricted release shades of the Essential phone: Stellar Gray, Ocean Depths, and Copper Black. Out of the group, Ocean Depths figures out how to raise the most eyebrows due to its punchy-looking shading. Not at all like alternatives, which utilize shades of dark or white for the most part, there's really shading in Ocean Depths. Its turquoise shading is striking, particularly with its intelligent covering.